You might be in this random situation where for some reason you keep getting this pop-up that says the card could not be added. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one thing I'd recommend doing though is the name on the card and the card number and all the information associated with this card. You want to make sure that the card is complete, like you put in all this information correctly. If even one of these numbers is wrong or the letter is wrong or whatever is wrong, then that's not necessarily going to work. If you're doing the scanning method, then that might be you may want to go the manual method and type in all that information, but just make sure everything is typed in properly. That's like the number one thing you can kind of do. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing you may want to do is make sure that the card that you have is fully working, that you want to make sure there's no issues with the card itself, that it's not an expired card. You may also want to go through and just double check with your bank and Apple and just make sure that there's no issues with your account. You can contact your bank and let them know, hey, I'm trying to add my card, but this is not working, and kind of see what they say. And you can contact Apple and kind of mention the same thing. Now, there could be issues with the software update or software version that you're on. So what you can do is you can make your way over to your iPhone settings like this, scroll down into your general settings, scroll into software update, and all you're going to have to do here is basically update your iPhone. That is an option that you may have that you can just update your device and basically go from there. You can also try going through and restarting your iPhone. So hold down the volume up button and the side button, slide the power off. You want to see if that ends up fixing your iPhone for you. If that still doesn't work, you may want to see if Apple's servers are down. And you can do that by going into downdetector.com, which is right here, and seeing if Apple or their servers are down or if your bank is down. And if it's one of those things are down, then basically that could be the problem. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.